They're here because of you.
What if everyone forgot who I was?
What?
They're coming here because of me, right? Because I'm Peter Parker. So cast a new spell. This time make everyone forget who Peter Parker is. Make everyone forget. You're gonna forget who I am.
Okay, what are you talking about?
It's okay. I'm gonna come and find you. And I'll explain everything. I'll make you remember me.
Can I help you?
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. And I like a coffee.
Is there anything else?
Thank you.